Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I will be explaining a new chapter of class 10th, third language Hindi from Karnataka board. Name of the chapter is Shani Sabse Sundar Graha, written by Gunakar Mule. Shani, it is a name of a planet and we call it as Saturn. As we all know, Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. And if any of you doesn't know about the beauty of this planet, then I recommend you to watch this video till end, as it is not only interesting but also informative one. So let us start. सौर मंडल के सबसे बड़े ग्रह बृहस्पति के बाद शनि ग्रह की कक्षा है। शनि सौर मंडल का दूसरा बड़ा ग्रह है। यह हमारी पृथ्वी से करीब 750 गुना बड़ा है। शनि के गोले का व्यास 116,000 किलोमीटर है, अर्थात पृथ्वी के व्यास से करीब 9 गुना अधिक। हमारी पृथ्वी सूर्य से करीब 15 करोड़ किलोमीटर की दूरी पर है। तुलना में शनि ग्रह 10 गुना अधिक दूर है। इसे दूरबीन के बिना कोरी आंखों से भी आकाश में पहचाना जा सकता है। Now here first let us see the hard words. सौरमंडल means solar system, ग्रह means planet, बृहस्पति Jupiter, शनि Saturn, then पृथ्वी Earth, then गोले का व्यास means diameter of sphere, the diameter. Okay, then दूरबीन means telescope, binocular. Okay, so which is the largest planet in our solar system? It is Jupiter. It is Brihaspati. Okay, the largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter, and after Jupiter, the second largest planet is Saturn. Okay, the second largest planet in our solar system is Saturn, and this Saturn, it is 750 times bigger than our Earth. As you can see in the picture, that in front of Saturn, our Earth, it is looking so small. It is looking like a small moon. Yes. So why? Because this Saturn, it is 750 times bigger than our Earth. And if you see the diameter of this planet, of this Saturn, it is 116,000 kilometer. The diameter of this planet Saturn, it is 116,000 kilometer, and if you compare with the diameter of our Earth, it is 9 times bigger than our Earth. So this planet, it is very big. Okay, and if you see the distance between Earth and Sun, it is about 15 crore kilometer. The distance between Earth and Sun is 15 crore kilometer. And if you see the distance from Saturn to the Sun, it is 10 times more farther. Means it is very far. It is very far. Okay, and this planet, this Saturn, you can easily see it in the sky. You can easily recognize in the sky with naked eyes, without the help of any binocular, without the help of any telescope. You can easily see this planet in the sky. Okay, now the next para. हमारी पौराणिक कथाओं के अनुसार शनि महाराज सूर्य के पुत्र है। शनि को शनैचर भी कहते हैं। आकाश के गोल पर यह ग्रह बहुत धीमी गति से चलता दिखाई देता है, इसलिए प्राचीन काल के लोगों ने इसे शनैचर नाम दिया था। शनैचर का अर्थ होता है धीमी गति से चलने वाला, लेकिन बाद के लोगों ने इस शनैचर को शनिचर बना डाला। शनिचर का नाम लेते ही अंधविश्वासियों की रूह कांपने लगती है। एक बार यदि यह ग्रह किसी की राशि में पहुंच जाए तो फिर 7.5 साल तक उसकी खैर नहीं। Here first let us see the hard words. पौराणिक कथाओं means mythology, then Surya means sun, 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 and putra means son, sun. Okay, then धीमी गति means slow speed, very slow speed. प्राचीन काल means ancient times. Then अंधविश्वासियों means superstitious people. Ruhu means soul, Kampne means to shiver, to fear. Okay, and Rashi means zodiac. So now here in the second paragraph, what it is saying that according to mythology, Saturn is considered as son of Surya. This planet Saturn, it is considered as son of Surya. And this planet Saturn, it is also called as Shanichar. And why it is called as Shanichar? Because this planet it moves very slowly, बहुत धीमी गति से चलता है. This planet moves very slowly in the sky. That's why people of ancient times they have named it as Shanichar, and meaning of Shanichar is the one which moves slowly. Okay, then people before they used to call it as Shanichar, then afterwards they started saying as Sanichar. Okay, and as soon as the name of Sanichar is taken, the people who are superstitious, they fear and they start shivering. Why do they do so? Because they believe that if once this planet reaches someone's zodiac, then it is not good for them for 7.5 years. So this belief they have, so only they start shivering when they hear the name Sanichar. Okay, now next. शनि को यदि दूरबीन से देखा जाए तो इस ग्रह के चहु और वलय दिखाई देते हैं. प्रकृति ने इस ग्रह के गले में खूबसूरत हार डाल दिए हैं. शनि के इन वलयों या कंकणों ने इस ग्रह को सौरमंडल का सबसे सुंदर एवं मनोहर ग्रह बनाया है. वस्तुत शनि सौरमंडल का सर्वाधिक सुंदर ग्रह है. ताजी जानकारी के अनुसार बृहस्पति, यूरेनस और नेपच्यून के इर्द गिर्द भी वलय है, परंतु शनि के वलय ज्यादा विस्तृत और स्पष्ट है. शनि के अद्भुत वलयों और इसके अन्य अनेक विशेषताओं के बारे में विस्तृत जानकारी हमें आधुनिक काल में ही मिली है. Now here the hard words. Durbin, as I told you, telescope, binocular. Then valay means rings. Okay, rings that we have around the Saturn. Then what else here? Sarvadik Sundar means most beautiful. Okay, Sundar evam Manohar means beautiful and lovely. Then Vistrut or Spasht means detailed and clear. Adbhut Valayo means wonderful rings. Then Visheshtao means features, characteristics. Adhunik Kal means modern era. Okay, so here it is saying that शनि को यदि दूरबीन से देखा जाए, if Saturn is seen through binoculars, then rings are visible around this planet. Okay, if you see with the help of binocular, you can easily see the rings. How many rings are there around this planet? You can easily recognize it. And nature has put a beautiful necklace around the neck of this planet. Now here beautiful necklace is depicting what? It is depicting the rings of the Saturn. Okay, the nature has put a beautiful necklace around the neck of this planet, and that is why this planet looks very beautiful, because it is surrounded by spectacular rings. Actually, it is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Then according to the latest information, we also come to know that even Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune also has rings, but the Saturn's rings is unbeatable. You cannot compare Saturn's rings with any other planet's rings, because Saturn's rings is just amazing. Okay, and we have also got detailed information about the rings of Saturn and many other features of it only in modern times. Now what does it mean? It means that in earlier days people were not knowing much about solar system, but due to the advancement of technology, now robotic space probes are being sent to the space, because of which the detailed information can be collected with the help of these robotic space probes, and we come to know new information about this space, and this was not available in the earlier days. So all this information we have got only in the modern times, in Adhunik Kal. Okay, before it was not available, now it is available with the because of the development of technology. Okay, नाउ नेक्स्ट, शनि ग्रह अत्यंत मंद गति से करीब 30 वर्षों में सूर्य का एक चक्कर लगाता है। इसलिए साल भर के अंतर के बाद भी आकाश में शनि की स्थिति में कोई विशेष परिवर्तन नहीं दिखाई देता। यह एक राशि में करीब 2.5 साल तक रहता है। शनि ग्रह सूर्य से पृथ्वी की अपेक्षा करीब 10 गुना अधिक दूर है, इसलिए बहुत कम सूर्यताप उस ग्रह तक पहुंचता है, पृथ्वी का मात्र 1/4 हिस्सा। इसलिए शनि के वायुमंडल का तापमान शून्य के नीचे 150 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड के आसपास रहता है। शनि एक अत्यंत ठंडा ग्रह है। नाउ हियर द हार्ड वर्ड्स। अत्यंत मंद गति मीन्स वेरी स्लो स्पीड, वेरी स्लो। 30 वर्षों मीन्स 30 years. ओके, एक चक्कर मीन्स 1 राउंड। देन स्थिति मीन्स पोजिशन, परिवर्तन means changes, then rashi means zodiac, then suryatap means sunlight, sunshine. Okay, then vayumandal means atmosphere, tapman means temperature, shunya means 0, then atyant thanda means extreme cold. Okay, so okay, how many days does Earth takes to complete one round of sun? It takes 365 days, right? And how many days this Saturn takes? It takes 30 years. You can imagine the speed, how slowly it moves. It takes 30 years to complete one round of the sun. Okay, so even after a gap of 1 year, there is no changes in the position of Saturn in the sky. It means that if you see the Saturn in the sky and after 1 year, if you see, you will find the planet standing in the same position. It is moving, but you cannot see the movement. It is so slow that even after 1 year, you will find the planet is in the same place. So slow it is. Okay, and it is also believed that it stays in one zodiac for about 2.5 years. Okay, then शनि ग्रह सूर्य से पृथ्वी की अपेक्षा करीब 10 गुना अधिक दूर है. As I told you in the first paragraph that Saturn, the distance of Saturn and Sun is 10 times more farther than what the distance is from the Earth and the Sun. So here also it is saying the same thing, that the Saturn and the Sun, it is 10 times more farther as compared to the Earth and the Sun, because of which the sunlight is unable to penetrate this planet, and the temperature of Saturn's atmosphere is below zero, which is minus 150 degrees centigrade, and hence it is extremely cold planet. Okay, then बृहस्पति की तरह शनि का वायुमंडल भी हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम, मीथेन तथा एमोनिया गैसों से बना है. शनि की सतह के बारे में हमें कोई जानकारी नहीं है, हम केवल इसके चमकीले बाहरी वायुमंडल को ही देख सकते हैं. शनि के केंद्र भाग में ठोस गुठली होनी चाहिए, लेकिन चंद्रमा, मंगल या शुक्र की तरह शनि की सतह पर उतर पाना आदमी के लिए संभव नहीं होगा. अभी 2 दशक पहले तक शनि के 10 उपग्रह खोजे थे, लेकिन अब शनि के उपग्रहों की संख्या 17 पर पहुंच गई है. धरती से भेजे गए स्वचालित अंतरिक्षयान पायोनियर तथा वाइजर शनि के नजदीक पहुंचे और इन्हीं के जरिए इस ग्रह के 7 नए उपग्रह खोजे गए. शनि के और भी कुछ चंद्र हो सकते हैं. Now here the hard words. Vayumandal, I told you, atmosphere, this hydrogen, helium, methane, ammonia gases, these are the names of the gases. Okay, Sataha means surface, then Kendra Bhag means center part, the middle part. Thos Gutli means solid surface. Chandrama means moon, Mangal, Mars, Shukra, Venus. Then Upagraha means satellite. Then Swachalit Antarikshan Pioneer. It means that automated spacecraft pioneer. Okay. So now here it is saying that like Brihaspati ki tarah, like Brihaspati, Saturn's atmosphere is also composed of hydrogen, helium, methane, and ammonia gas. This planet Saturn is also made up of the gases like hydrogen, helium, methane, ammonia gas. And we have no idea about the surface of Saturn. We can only see its bright outer atmosphere. Here it is saying that there should be the solid surface in the center of Saturn. There should be. It is not saying that it is there. It is not confirmed, but there should be solid surface in the center part of the Saturn. Okay. See, you can land the spacecraft in moon, in other planets, but in this planet it is impossible. Why? Because this planet, it is very lightweight. This planet, it is made up of gases. Okay, so if you put this planet in the water or in the ocean, it can easily get floated over the water. It is so lightweight. So how can any spacecraft land in this planet? Even though it is the second largest planet in our solar system, no doubt, but it is so lightweight that you cannot land any spacecraft on its surface. Okay, so here, that is only it is saying that you cannot land any spacecraft. No man can go and stand there. You can land spacecraft in Chandrama, in Mangal, in Shukra, in Venus, Mars, any planet, but in this planet it is impossible to land. Okay, then अभी 2 दशक पहले, just 2 decades ago, 2 decades means 20 years back. Okay, just 2 decades ago, 10 satellites of Saturns were discovered, but now the number of satellites of Saturn has reached 17. Okay, 7 has increased. Now how it has increased? With the help of the spacecraft Pioneer, which was sent from the Earth near the Saturn. And that spacecraft, it helped us in discovering 7 new satellites. Okay, and it also says that there may be other moons of Saturn as well. See, in Earth, see, we have only one moon. Okay, we see only one moon. But if you talk about other planets like Saturn or Jupiter or any planets, they have many moons. They have many moons. Here also you can see in the picture Saturn's largest moons. These all are the moons. It is, you can also call it as satellites. Okay, so there are many moons of other planets. देन शनि का सबसे बड़ा चंद्र टाइटन सौर मंडल का सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण और दिलचस्प उपग्रह है। टाइटन हमारे चंद्र से भी काफी बड़ा है। इसका व्यास 5150 किलोमीटर है। अभी कुछ साल पहले तक टाइटन को ही सौरमंडल का सबसे बड़ा उपग्रह समझा जाता था, परंतु वायेजर यान की खोजबीन से पता चला है कि बृहस्पति का गैनीमेड उपग्रह सौरमंडल का सबसे बड़ा उपग्रह है। शनि की सतह पर अंतरिक्षयान को उतारना तो संभव नहीं है, परंतु टाइटन की सतह पर अंतरिक्षयान को उतारा जा सकता है। शनि हमारे सौरमंडल का एक अद्भुत और सुंदर ग्रह है। किसी भी ग्रह को शुभ या अशुभ समझने का कोई भौतिक कारण नहीं है। शनि तो हमारे सौरमंडल का सबसे खूबसूरत ग्रह है। Here hard words, I don't think it is there, but let us see. See, Titan is the name of the moon. Titan is the name of Saturn's moon. You can also call it a satellite or moon. It is up to you. Okay. Then Sarvadik means most. Upagraha, satellite. Dilchasp means interesting. Then Antarikshan, spacecraft. Satah, surface. Khojbin means research. Then Shubh ya Ashubh means auspicious or inauspicious. Bhautik Karan means physical reason. Okay. So here Shani का सबसे बड़ा चंद्र, the largest moon of Saturn, Titan. What it is? It is Titan. Titan is the most important and interesting satellite of solar system, and it is much bigger than our moon. What is bigger than our moon? Titan. Titan is bigger than our moon. its diameter is 5,150 kilometer. And few years before, Titan was considered as the largest satellite in the solar system. Before, okay, not now. Few years before, it was considered that Titan is the largest satellite in the solar system. But afterwards, after having some research, it was revealed that Jupiter's Ganymede satellite is the largest satellite in the solar system. Okay, before it was Titan, but now it is Ganymede, which is Jupiter's satellite. Then it is not possible to land a spacecraft on the surface of Saturn. As I told you, it is not possible for it is not possible to land a spacecraft on the surface of Saturn, but the spacecraft can be landed on the surface of Titan. And as we all know, Saturn is a wonderful and beautiful planet in our solar system. And there is no physical reason to consider any planet as auspicious or inauspicious. Because there are people who believe that so and so is auspicious, so and so is inauspicious. So there is nothing like that. And Saturn is the most beautiful planet in our solar system. Yes, so this was about this chapter. I hope you got all the information from this video. If you like it, hit the like button, share, and subscribe my channel.